Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jeep Grand Cherokee battery. First, gather your essential tools like a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal brush. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective gloves and eye protection. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin any work. This ensures a safe environment for the entire process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Your Jeep Grand Cherokee battery is typically located under the passenger seat or sometimes under the hood. Start by locating the negative terminal, usually marked with a minus sign, and disconnect it first. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Carefully remove any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in its tray. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, thoroughly clean the battery tray and the cable terminals to ensure good contact. Position the new battery securely in its designated spot. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. This order is crucial for preventing electrical shorts and ensuring proper function. For the final steps, ensure the new battery is firmly secured with its hold-down clamps to prevent movement. Apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals to protect against rust and ensure a long-lasting connection. Double-check all connections for tightness. Remember to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Start your engine to confirm everything is working correctly. Enjoy your newly powered Jeep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.